Let me introduce you to Serbian survival guide for winter. It's called food. When it gets cold, every house turns into mini factory. People start making zimnica. That's a winter food in jars. Ajvar, turšija, jam, kiseli kupus, basically a whole season inside a glass jar. And when December hits, it's game over. Sarma for breakfast, pasut for lunch, chorba for dinner. Healthy? Let's just say we balanced it with homemade rakia. There's always bread. Uvek ima hleba, even with potatoes, because why not? Winter in Serbia means your jeans stop fitting by February, but your soul is warm and happy. Follow about Serbian for more information like this one.